Well, guys, those of you who are Jamaicans or Caribbean people, I have St. Vincent Yam. We call it St. Vincent Yam. 2 bags with St. Vincent Yam. Found them on the internet. Found the yam on the internet, bought it, ate a piece of it. And now I plant the head. There's 3 in that pot and 2 in this one. I still only see 2 growing, but they're short. But I'm gonna have to maybe put that in a deeper pot. And I have to change that pot. That pot is too short. But this is a 10-gallon pot with a deep 10-gallon pot. So that's gonna be good. And I plant them head at the top so the yam will push down, you know what I mean? Yeah. St. Vincent Yam. I'm gonna have to stick it. I just have a little stick in there, but I have a trellis that I'm gonna put in for it to run on. My father used to grow St. Vincent Yam. We used to have a lot of renter and St. Vincent Yam. You know, we call it St. Vincent. Yeah. So take that. Gotta take this. Yeah, so that is growing. I got it needs to be trellised. So I'm gonna have to trellis it. This is me checking them out when they came in the box. I was just looking at them, trying to figure out, did I buy the right thing? So it's 5 pieces. They were very generous. I paid like $40-something for them. So those are the yam when I got them. When I saw this yam on the internet, I looked at it so many times. You know, pictures don't tell the right story. They call it a different name, something like Hadu or some do, I don't remember. Because these are not Jamaicans that was selling it. They're from another country. But I took a chance and bought it. So this is me here in the kitchen peeling it, cutting it. Man, it's the red one, you know. I didn't even realize it was a red one. Love it. I love the white one and I love the red one. And this might not be the typical St. Vincent yam that we are used to, because ours are kind of longer and not as short as this. But it depends on what soil and where they're growing it. So I'm taking a chance with it. So, you know, I cooked it and had it with some snapper fish and it was really good. So you can see it was cooked here. Soft, nice, delicious. It melts in your mouth. So this is really where I'm potting them up after I cut the heads. I left them for a couple of weeks. I actually put them in my worm bin and let them stay there for they were there for about 2 weeks because it was still cold, you know, outside, and I didn't want to plant them and they died. So I waited until like late March. I think this was the 22nd of March, and I put 3 in this grow bag. 3 pieces, 3 of the heads, and then 2 in another one. So now I look forward to reaping my yam, and I'll show you when that time comes in a couple months. I'll update, you know, and show you what I get. Thanks for watching my videos. Appreciate your views, and please subscribe if you haven't. Thank you.